In this video of Lash Intensive Lashucation, I'm going to cover cleaning your lashes with baby shampoo. Now, years ago, I used to see formulations on the internet where people would give recipes for making your cleanser at home using baby shampoo. When I was researching cyanoacrylate adhesive and cosmetic ingredients back in 2018, I realized baby shampoo actually has a lot of detergents in it. When I mentioned it to my hairstylist, Nikki said, we used to strip color from people's hair using baby shampoo.
I was completely shocked.
A couple of years ago, somebody that I would see on occasion for fills, her lash extensions was extremely brittle. And it was dry, something that I hadn't experienced in a long time. I asked her, I said, what are you using to clean your lashes with? And she told me that she was using baby shampoo. And that was the issue with her lashes. The science of what I read about the cyanoacrylate adhesive and cosmetic ingredients, it all made sense. If you were using baby shampoo and you notice that you are not having good retention, try changing your cleanser and use something else that is more hydrating because you want to keep the cyanoacrylate adhesive moist, because cyanoacrylate adhesive is basically a super glue. And when it gets dry and brittle, you can't rehydrate it. I discovered that on a pair of shoes that I took to the shoe repair place. The repairman said, you left your shoes in the car in the summer, which I did. He said, you ruined your shoes. The adhesive dried out and got really brittle. I ended up not being able to repair those shoes. I had to toss them out. It was so sad. But that always stuck with me. That is why you want to make sure that you are using the proper cleanser for cleaning your lashes, because you have to keep that cyanoacrylate adhesive moist. You also want to keep your eyelashes moist, and using the proper lash cleanser formulated for your cyanoacrylate adhesive will help with that. I hope this lashucation was helpful for you. Comment below if you have any questions that you would like me to answer. I will make a future video on it. If I don't have the answer for you, it's a good learning opportunity for me. I have been a full-time lash stylist since 2013, completing nearly 10,000 lash services. I've written 1,000 pages of Lash Intensive. I have a lot of knowledge, and everything that I share in my videos is something that I have actually encountered myself and I've had success with. Now that I finally completed Lash Intensive and have all of the videos and everything ready to go, I'm finally able to concentrate on creating these little tips for you to share with you on a regular basis. If you'd like more tips like this, click the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.